So as these thoughts come up, remember to treat them with compassion, with care, and do what you need to do to let it go. And just like allow yourself to be free. Allow your inner child to go wild. Because this new era of your life is just the one of your dreams. Something that you've only imagined but never experienced yet. But yet to be experienced. To be continued. Oh my God, I saw that on a driver's, what is that? The plate? The license plate. Wow. You got it. Keep going. You are on the path of destiny. You are on the path of destiny. And you are fulfilling it in the most beautiful, authentic way. So just keep going. You got it. I'm so proud of you. Turn up. Celebrate yourself because you did it, babes. And it's just going to keep getting better and better. Like you thought these miracles was it? Nah, baby, there's more. Just keep living with your heart. Keep being open. Trust. Trust that you'll be dealt a good hand. Trust justice is on your side, bro. It's harvest season and you gonna get it. You gonna get what you've been given. Period. If this message has helped you, please give me a like and follow. Bye.